In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Synthesia. We'll start in your web browser. In the search bar, type Synthesia and look for the official site. It should be the result that clearly references the video creation platform. Open that page to get started. Once you're on the home page, find and click Log In. Sign in the way you normally do so you land inside your dashboard. Next, open your video in the Synthesia editor. From your projects, choose the video you want to enhance with background music, and make sure you're in the main editing view so you can see your canvas and the panels around it. On the right-hand side, locate the toolbar and turn on the toggle for the music icon. This switch reveals the music options and makes the audio controls available for your project. If your window is narrow, you might need to scroll within the panel to see the icon. Now it's time to audition tracks. You'll see a list of available music. Click the small play icon on any track to hear a preview. Take a moment to listen for mood, tempo, and energy so the music supports your message rather than competing with it. When you find a track you like, click the track name. That action adds the music to your video. As soon as the track is selected, look to the right-hand inspector panel. A volume slider will appear for the background music. This is where you set the music level in relation to your narration. Most pros recommend keeping background music between 10 and 20% so it doesn't drown out the AI avatar's voice. A good starting point is around 15%. Play a section where the voice is present and nudge the slider until the voice is clear and effortless to understand, with the music just filling the space. If consonants feel masked or the voice loses detail, lower the music slightly. If the track feels absent, bring it up a touch, but stay within that safe range. Once the balance feels right, give your video another quick playthrough to confirm the music complements your pacing from start to finish. And that's it. You searched for Synthesia, logged in, opened your video in the editor, enabled the music toggle, auditioned tracks, added the one you liked, and set the volume like a pro. You now know exactly how to add music in Synthesia for a polished, professional result.